Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the steps to enable sound for browser notifications in Google Chrome. This updated method will ensure you never miss an important alert again. Let's dive right in. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once you have it open, look towards the top right corner of the window. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner. This is your menu button, and it will give you access to various settings for your browser. Now, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your browsing experience. Once you are in the settings, scroll down and click on Notifications. Here, you will find options related to how notifications are handled by Chrome. In this section, look for a setting that allows sites to send notifications. Make sure it is set to Allow. This step is crucial because it lets websites send notifications directly to your browser. Now let's move on to enabling sound for those notifications. You might need to click on a specific site or check the default behavior settings. Ensure that the sound option is also enabled. This means that when a notification pops up, it will make a sound alerting you to its presence. Finally, enter back into your browser and test it out. You should now receive sound alerts whenever a notification comes through from sites that you've allowed. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you're always alerted with sound notifications in Google Chrome, making your browsing experience more interactive and efficient. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your technology.